Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra if you're new here. For today, I'm going to do a little productive day in my life. It is much needed. I do work from home today from 9 to 12, so it is still early. So I'm going to grab some breakfast for myself. I just made my bed. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So let's go make breakfast. Ice my face every day as I should, but I'm trying to at least do it every single week because it literally helps so much. While I was eating, I just did my little gratitude journal. Although I don't do it every single day, I do it like every other day or so. That's really been helping like my overall mood, I feel like, and like mental health, to like write things down. And pretty often I also do say them out loud, like the positive affirmation part. I am currently posting my Instagram reels, which is usually what I do as well in the morning. Since I've been doing the 30 days challenge over on TikTok that I started of fall outfit ideas, I saved all of them on my phone, and then I've been posting them on YouTube Shorts, which I already finished, and then now I'm posting them over on Instagram, and I'm like only 2 away from finishing completely, and that's been really helpful. I feel like those reels have really been helping. So I've been posting them on there, and then I'm also posting them on Pinterest. If you don't know, I have Pinterest. I don't post on there like crazy amount of content, but I try to repurpose my content a lot. But I do have like boards and stuff, so if you ever want to check it out, you can. I will have it linked down in the description box. This is what it's looking like. I did a paid collab with Dipology. This is my first part, and then the second part I have to post on the 19th. The rest have just been outfits, like the 30 out of 30 day outfit ideas. Having that honestly has really helped because I feel like it's just something that I already been doing on one platform, TikTok, and then I just made sure to save every single video to repurpose it on all the other platforms, because I was going to delete them, but then I'm like, that is such a waste of content because I like literally changed for every single outfit. So if you're looking for like new video ideas that you like want to do, I feel like that would be like a good thing to do, whether it's for winter, fall, spring, or whatever. Fall is like my favorite season, and I feel like I own the most clothes for fall, so that's why I picked fall. And I'm gonna start a little bit of work, and then I'm gonna take Leo out for a walk. It is 11:13. I've just been working from home. I took Leo for a long walk. I took a body shower, and that felt so good. I didn't wash my hair because I'm trying not to wash my hair too often. I have been working from home, and I wanted to share a little bit about what I do because I'm not sure I've like shared with you guys. No, I have. But if you're new to my channel, I work part-time as a social media associate. I actually do it for an animal shelter. I only go into the office twice a week, and then the rest is from home. And I manage the social media accounts, so like Instagram, Facebook, we do Twitter, and then I just started a TikTok account for them. I don't like manage their YouTube. I just kind of like post YouTube shorts just to try to reuse the content that I create and stuff. So I've been doing that this morning on my work phone, and then on the laptop all morning I was just replying to comments. One of the milestones that I just shared on my Instagram about my job is that we hit like a viral video. This is our first viral video, and I just started this job like a year ago, and I really love it because it's like animals and helping them find a forever home. We just reached 10.5K. I'm so excited. When I started, I think we were like and now we're at 10.5k, which is insane. I am just so excited. The video that basically like blew us up was this cute little reel that I made for like the holidays. This is the video that basically took the account like over, and last night it hit a million views, sorry. And yeah, we have had so many shares on this video. Like, it's been 21k shares, which is a lot. So I think that's also why, and also the holidays. And definitely I always try to pick like a trending sound and stuff. But yeah, I have a follow-up video I'm going to post today here that I need to set up for. But yeah, just thought I'd share a little bit about what I do like for my job and stuff like that in case you're new here. But I really love my job. It's just so meaningful. And then on top of that, like the other day, we got an email that somebody saw the video that I just showed you about the reindeer pups. And they came in to adopt because they saw that video. And that just like made me so happy. It's like so rewarding to like see that like me creating content like for the shelter like is working, so that the animals are getting adopted. Like, that is so rewarding. They're doing a new campaign thing for like 50% off large dogs and stuff like that, because we have a lot of large dogs. So I'm just changing up all that stuff, and then I'm going to post and set up the real video that I have next. One of our long timers is a pit bull mix, and I ended up doing the reindeer effect thing on him, and I have a video for him to go up. So hopefully it'll do well as well, and he can get adopted. He's been up for adoption for over 300 days, so I really want him to get adopted. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to work, so I will update you very soon. I love a clean kitchen, so all the dishes are washed and everything. I have the salmon out because that's what we're gonna have for dinner, and I need to go to the store, but I just lit a little candle. I've been avoiding washing my makeup brushes, so this really needs to get done. Like, I was supposed to film yesterday and the day before that and the day before that and then today, but I keep like not washing my makeup brushes and I'm like breaking out, so I really don't want to do my makeup without my brushes being washed. So we're gonna wash my makeup brushes because it's been way too long since I've been avoiding that. So this is a reminder to wash your makeup brushes. I know it's like not motivating at all, like on its own. Like, I never want to wash my makeup brushes. I wish I didn't have to, but I obviously have to. I always use the same thing. Let me know if you've tried any other ones that you like, but this is the ecotools. I get it from Amazon. I think I have some left still, but I'm gonna get the rest of these. Okay, this is the before. They are definitely dirty, and I will show you the after soon. Okay, they look so clean. I am so happy. So finally gonna be able to do my makeup probably tomorrow and film videos tomorrow. I did film a quick little TikTok about just like basically cleaning my brushes. So I did film that, so I'll post that for today. I came to the thrift store and now I'm gonna go to the grocery store. They just opened this up recently. Okay, I'm back home. I am making some rice. I also picked up these because Caesar wanted some Oreos, and I got some brownies. And then I also got some rotisserie chicken so we could have that for tonight. and I'm so excited because I am so hungry. Also got this last week, I think, when we went grocery shopping at Trader Joe's, and I'm so excited because I saw it in Cleo's video. Shout out to Cleo. She got a little advent calendar for her dog, so I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get one for Leo. So this is gonna be for Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I think Leo's gonna love this so much. Okay, quick little thrift haul. So I got this mug. It's wet because I just put it in the sink to wash, but this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I was in love with it as soon as I saw it. I was like, I need to have this. We're definitely gonna have like a little hot chocolate night at our place sometime in December, so I thought this would be perfect. This is really, really cute, and I got it for $3. Okay, another thing I found this for $3. It is so cute. It looked Peruvian to me, and I'm pretty sure it is because they have their little hats and the little llama and everything. I love it. Even the little baby has the little hat, and it's so cute. It's so gloomy outside. It was literally pouring outside, but I thought I would show you 3 things that I got for myself. So I found this Savers that they just opened. This is my first time going, and it is so huge. This is originally from Topshop. It still has the tag on it, and I got it for $6. It's like a long sleeve, just knit. It is so soft. I wanted this to sleep in because it's been so cold in our apartment. So I ended up getting this one. It is literally the softest thing ever. I can't wait to sleep in it. I also found this sweater from H&M. This one was $4.99. This one I thought would be perfect. It's just super simple and there's nothing wrong with it. So I got this one, and it's cropped. So I'm excited to wear this like under like sweaters, blazers, or whatever. Hi, coats. Hi. You missed me. I found some things from Madewell, but I didn't think the other one like would fit me very well. It just felt like it was too big, even though it's a size small. So I picked this one up for like a sleeping shirt, or I guess I could also just wear it as a lacy shirt. This was $7.49. This is in a size extra small, but it's like oversized. I don't know, I just really love the color. It's kind of like brown, dark brown, and then like a baby blue. I loved the pattern so much. And then the sleeves are a little chunky. They look like this. I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night, and we're gonna eat our dinner.